In this video, we are going to talk about how to make quiz corrections and how to do them correctly so that you can get full credit for any corrections that you submit. So we're going to start out here. Originally, you would open up this particular link, and for each question that you missed on a quiz, you would write one sentence answering each of these three questions. So the first sentence was explaining why you chose the wrong answer. The second sentence was explaining what the correct answer is. And the third sentence, which is really the most important one, is explaining why the correct answer is correct. Now, this proved challenging for a lot of students to do, mostly because they had to look back at this page. So I've streamlined the process a little bit, but the requirements remain pretty much the same. So now, if you click on this link, it'll take you to this form. And this form has the exact same thing, but it's in a streamlined process so that the students know exactly what to write for each question. All right, now on the first page of the form, they have to fill out everything, otherwise it will not let them continue on to the next section. So everything is a required field. All right, so I'm just going to put some blanks in here. So I chose the wrong answer because I guessed. The correct answer is, say, an elephant. And why is it correct? Because according to the food web, an elephant is a consumer and an herbivore. So what's really important is this last blank. Why is the correct answer correct? So this is the piece where students are letting me know they understand the concept. They're proving to me that they understand the concept. If they don't do this particular piece well, they cannot get credit, because the credit is all about them proving to me that they get it correct and they understand. All right, so once you finish this first page, you click the next button. Now from this point on, everything else is an if needed. So this is the second question they missed. So if they missed 2 questions on a quiz, they can use this page. If they only missed 1 question, they can still make corrections. You can correct anything in my class up to 100. Even if you make a 99 on it, you can still correct it if you really, really want to. All right, but once you've finished all your corrections, you just continue to click next until you get to the 5th page. And then you click submit. And once you click submit, then I'll have access to it and I'll see everything that you've typed. All right, now, most of my quizzes are only 5 questions long. A few of my tests are a little bit longer from time to time, so you may have to fill out this form more than once for a single quiz. If that's the case, you just submit the first one, then go back to the link again, click it again, and then start over with the second half. All right, as always, if you have questions, feel free to ask me.